Hi everyone, Matt here. Welcome to this video, which is a tutorial all about Zoom. So just in case you don't know, Zoom is a website and an application for laptops, tablets and phones that has become very popular over the past couple of months because it's a really good way of getting more than one person at a time using a laptop, tablet or phone to communicate as a group all at once. With Zoom, you can be part of a group where you can all see and hear each other, which is lovely. We're going to be using Zoom to host some Zoom classes on a range of different topics. Keep an eye on the e-newsletter for more details, but for now, let's find out how to use Zoom. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to use Zoom on a laptop. Afterwards, I'll show you how on a tablet or phone. I'm going to start with how to get to the website. Hopefully you should recognise this page, it's Google, with a nice little moving image at the top as you can see. Below that is the Google search bar. All you have to do is do a Google search, just like you would for anything else. Click in there and type in zoom.us. Press enter and Google will do its thing and bring up a list of websites. The website we want is the first one on the list. You can see it says Zoom video conferencing. Move your mouse to that line and click it once. Then wait a moment and hey presto, you're now on the Zoom website. Okay, so far so good. As you can see, there's lots of images and things you can click on the website, but all we need to worry about is one of them. Near the top and on the right hand side, you can see in blue the words join a meeting. That is the button we're going to click next. Hi everyone, me again. Now for the next bit, you need to do a couple of things. The first thing is if you are using Zoom for the first time, you need to download some software to your computer. What I mean by that is to take something from the internet and put it on your computer. The website will take you through the steps and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. The second thing is to join a meeting, you've got to put in an 11-digit meeting ID number. For the Zoom classes we're running, the meeting ID number will be given to you probably through the e-newsletter before the classes start. Okay, let's get back to it. So after we click join a meeting, this screen will appear and it's asking you to type in the 11-digit meeting ID number. So find the number and type in the digits. Once you've typed them in, click join. Now, at this point, if you've never used Zoom before, a new screen will appear. Remember, you've got to download some software first before you can join a meeting. As it says on the screen, the software should start downloading automatically. If it doesn't, just click where it says download here in blue. Every computer works in different ways at this point, unfortunately. But basically, once it has downloaded, you need to click on the file and open it. This will start the process of Zoom being installed on your device. You only ever have to do this the very first time you try to use Zoom. Now that the software is on your computer, you can now join the meeting. So click on Join a Meeting and a new window appears. Here you need to type in the meeting ID number, that's the 11-digit code from earlier, and you can choose the name you want to be shown on screen to others. If you're using your own laptop, I would recommend keeping the box ticked where it says remember my name for future meetings. Once this is done, click the word join in the bottom right of this window. We're nearly there. Next, click the I agree button. If you want to read the terms and conditions, feel free to click on the words in blue. Now, a preview of what your camera will look like in the meeting will appear. The fool just waving was me in my office/dining room. Now, click the blue button that says join with video. There will be a bit of a pause here as your computer connects with the meeting, so just hang on a couple of seconds. Then a new box will appear asking whether you want to join with a microphone or use the computer's internal microphone. Just click the blue box that says join with computer audio. Congratulations, you have successfully joined your very first Zoom meeting. Normally, you'd be able to see a different person here as well as yourself, not just two of me. While we are here, there are three things you need to know. Firstly, if you want to turn your mic off so no one can hear you, click the mute button in the bottom left. Don't forget to click it again so people can hear you. If you want to do the same but with video, then click the video button directly next to it. Secondly, if you want to write a message to the group, move your mouse to the chat button and click it. This is a nice way of speaking to people while someone else is talking. Oh, yes, and as you can see me typing, this also helps if you don't have an inbuilt microphone. And thirdly, at the end of that row of buttons is reactions. If you want to show appreciation by giving a thumbs up or clapping, click on reactions and choose a thumbs up or a clap image to appear in your little screen. I have chosen to clap at all of you for learning how to use Zoom. Finally, once you've finished with your meeting, move your mouse to the bottom right of the screen and click on Leave Meeting. As you can see, there's a few steps you have to do in order to join Zoom for the first time. What I want to show you now is how quick it is to join Zoom meetings in the future once you've done this first bit. So you need to get back to the Zoom website and click on the Join a Meeting button. This then brings up the page where you need to type in the 11-digit meeting ID number. Every meeting you join will have a different 11-digit meeting ID number. Simply type it in and click Join. You may need to wait a little bit while it loads up and then the test screen will appear. There's me. Now click Join with Video. Again, wait a moment while Zoom adds you to the meeting. Finally, click the button Join with Audio, just like we did before. And we're now back in another Zoom meeting. You may prefer to use a tablet or a phone to use Zoom. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to download the Zoom app onto your phone or tablet. Each phone and tablet comes with a place you can go to download applications. For most of you, this will be the Google Play Store. If yours is different, for example the Apple App Store, it will work in a very similar way. So the Google Play Store looks something like this. It won't look exactly like this on your screen, but don't worry. All you have to do is go to the search bar at the top and type in Zoom. Press enter and all the applications with the word Zoom in them will appear. The one we need to download is the very first one on the list. Tap on the image and another screen will appear. Now, all you have to do is tap on Install. Once you have the application on your phone or tablet, all you have to do is keep an eye on your emails. For each Zoom class, we will send a meeting link inside the email. So about 5 minutes before the meeting is set to start, open the email on the device you want to use and tap on that link, and Zoom will open up automatically. It will probably ask you some of the questions from previously. Do you want to use video? Do you want to use the inbuilt microphone? Make sure you tap yes to those questions, and then you'll be able to join the meeting. I hope you found this tutorial useful. We're going to be using Zoom to host some Zoom classes covering a range of different topics very, very soon. Keep an eye on your emails to find out what they will be about and what subjects we'll be covering, and hopefully I will see you on Zoom very soon.